Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Learn English with Barsu. We are here today to learn English speaking and listening skills through an interesting story. Today's story will be based on simple past tense, which is used to talk about things that happened or existed before now. This simple past tense or past indefinite is used to describe a completed action in the past. Now, in this video, you will first listen to the story, and then we will do some questions and answers based on this story to test your memory and skills. So, without any further delay, let's begin. There was a young, school-going girl named Sarah who lived with her family in a small town. Sarah was a cheerful and curious teenager who attended her high school in Sydney. Every morning, she would wake up early, excited about the day ahead. Sarah's loving and supportive parents. Sarah had a close-knit group of friends, Alice, Jake, and Ron. Sarah's favorite subject was history, and she loved immersing herself in the tales of the past. She spent her afternoons in the school library, where she lost herself in books and knowledge. Sarah also achieved first prize in the school's annual drama competition. Sarah's younger brother, Alex. She spent her weekends doing fun adventures and spending time with her friends and family. She excelled in her classes, particularly in subjects like English and history. She also discovered a passion for science, particularly chemistry, during one of her experiments. Sarah's love for learning and her dedication to her studies paid off handsomely. Sarah emerged as the top student of her batch, and her name was displayed on the school's honor roll. After the school got over, Sarah was enrolled in a university in London known for its science programs. The transition to college life brought new friendships and a sense of independence. Sarah shifted to London, an entirely new city, for her further studies. Late-night study sessions and early morning classes became a routine part of her college life. During the holidays, Sarah returned home, reconnecting with her family and childhood friends. During her college years, Sarah delved into various science projects, which led to research opportunities and internships. Her professors also recognized her dedication, and she became a respected student on campus. She completed her graduation and landed a job at a research institution, fulfilling her scientific aspirations. Her success story was featured in the local newspaper, and she was recognized for her accomplishments. Back in her hometown, Sarah became an inspiration to many aspiring scientists, which resonated with many. She also became a leading figure in the fight against climate change. She never forgot the lessons she learned during her school days. Sarah continued to pursue her passion for drama along with her scientific career. The once small-town girl was now a global icon. A science fair in the town became an annual event, honoring Sarah's legacy. From a school-going girl to a successful scientist, Sarah's journey showcased the power of dreams, perseverance, and inspiration for many. I hope that you have listened to the story carefully. Now, let's jump into the question and answer session. I will ask you some questions. To answer, you can pause the video for a few seconds if you want, or just answer together. So, let's get started. Who was Sarah? Sarah was a young girl who studied in school. With whom did Sarah live? Sarah lived with her family in a small town. Did Sarah study in California? No, Sarah did not study in California. She studied in Sydney. Where did Sarah attend her high school? Sarah attended her high school in Sydney. Who supported Sarah to pursue her dreams? Sarah's parents supported her to pursue her dreams. Who were Sarah's best friends? Alice, Jake, and Ron were Sarah's best friends. What was Sarah's favorite subject in school? Sarah's favorite subject was history in school. What did Sarah do in her afternoons? In the afternoons, Sarah used to spend her time in the school library. What prize did Sarah achieve in the school's annual drama competition? Sarah achieved first prize in the school's annual drama competition. What was the name of Sarah's younger brother? The name of Sarah's younger brother was Alex. How did Sarah spend her weekends? Sarah spent her weekends with her family and friends. Except history, what other subject did Sarah like to learn? Except for history, Sarah liked to learn science, especially chemistry. Where did Sarah go to study after her school got over? Sarah went to a university in London for higher studies. What did Sarah study in London? Sarah studied science at a university in London. What did Sarah do after completing her graduation? After graduation, Sarah got a job at a research institution. Where did Sarah's success story get published? Sarah's success story got featured in the local newspaper. What was the cause Sarah was fighting for? Sarah was fighting against climate change. Was Sarah an arrogant and egoistic girl? No, Sarah was a very humble and grounded girl. What annual event in the town was organized to celebrate Sarah's achievements? A science fair started to be organized as an annual event to celebrate Sarah's achievements. If you enjoy watching such videos, then do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We will be back soon with another amazing English learning video. Till then, stay connected.